Hey everyone, it's Erin with Community Influencer, and we have our February planning call for real estate agents, and that's going to happen in about 30 minutes. So I want to just come in here and run through all of the things that we're going to be talking about on this call and give you an idea of what we include this month in February for our content for agents. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So we are in the learning portal. So you get access to this when you become a member. And basically, if you go to the library and you click on where it says, let's just go ahead and do it together. So when you log in, it looks something like this. You'll scroll down and you'll see where it says social media templates. And then when you come to the social media templates area, you'll scroll down and you'll see some lessons here. Once you go through the lessons, you start getting access to all of the modules. So let's say you've done step 1, you'll go to step 2, and this is what we're going to be doing today. So instead of the January content, you'll see February content, and that call is going to happen, like I said, in the next 30 minutes at 11 o'clock PT. And if you miss the call, if you're too late, that's okay. We're going to post the replay right here as well. So go ahead and look for that if you come and join us after the call is over. So then once you complete step 2, we plan everything together. You're going to open up the February content vault. And when you do, you'll just scroll down and you can see that we give you the posting schedule. So you know exactly what to post, what platform, and what day. And we give you all of this information. Again, we have all of the lessons, every single thing that you need to be able to do that correctly. And then we just post it here just so that you don't forget. All right. And if you ever get lost, you can always go to the 2024 marketing plan, and I show you exactly how to use this. You can download a copy of the plan and you'll have this at all times, okay? So you always have the entire roadmap for the whole entire year right here for you. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the February content planner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, and when I do, I'm going to log in first. And then after you log in, you'll just go ahead and copy the document like that. And then once it makes a copy in your Gmail account, you'll be able to see our content planner. So this is February, and this is your specific content planner for February, okay? We color-coded everything by day of the week. We also do the category for you, so you don't have to even think about what to post. All we are gonna do on this call is we're gonna go together step by step and plan out every single day, okay? So you might have a different plan than my real estate team, and that's okay, but we always have these these content buckets, because you'll always know what types of posts. So behind the brand, events, promoting your business. You can rest on Sundays if you want to, promote local businesses, give real estate tips, and post about your community. So those are the buckets that we always want you to post. And so you will have a different post for every single one of these days, but the categories will always stay the same, okay? So we'll go ahead and do all of this together in about 30 minutes. And then from there, you'll just come back and you'll be able to see, again, the real estate marketing roadmap. I've already shown that. But now we'll start to create the content. So after we're done with the planning call, you'll just come in here and we give you literally every single thing that you need. So based on what your specific plan is for February, you'll just go ahead and open up some of the templates. So this is what you would put for the square templates like Instagram and even for Facebook. So let me show you what that looks like. So you'll open it up and you'll see February social media templates right here. And let me just open this view up so you can see what they look like. So we give you tons and tons of fully customizable graphics and templates for the month, okay? So let me just open one up so that you can see, like, National Pizza Day. If you go over here and you click on notes, we actually give you every single thing that you need to say. So you can just fill in the blanks right here, or you can throw this into ChatGPT and say, hey, customize this for my business, and it'll spit something out for you that works for you, okay? So that is the squares. And then we also give you stories. So one of my favorite things, stories are an amazing way to engage with audiences that are already following you, okay? So when you log into Instagram or Facebook, you'll see the little like circle, like the little rainbow around your profile picture. And then when you click on that, people who are already following you will be able to see all of your stories. So let me show you. We give you all of these little matching stories. So let me look at the National Pizza Day one. I'll open that up. And you can see that you can put in your favorite pizza for National Pizza Day. But again, we give you tons and tons of like polls and questions. And again, all of this is for the story so that people can actually engage with you and you can start conversations with people on Instagram and on Facebook by just posting these little stories. Okay. So this is a great way to get engagement. The other thing we include for you is these like 15-second faceless reels. So if you don't have your own B-roll, you can just come in here and you can use ours. So we are building out a B-roll bank so that my team can, we always have content all the time, like these little faceless reels we have here. But so if you don't have that yet, if you don't have your B-roll bank built up, that's okay. You can basically just use these, fill in the blanks and post it on social media. Like, so here's another one. You can replace a picture of yourself here, like a video of yourself, or you can use ours. All right. The next thing that we also include is we give you real estate reel ideas. Okay. So not only do we give you this via email with like trending audio and examples, we also allow you to come in here and we give you real estate examples here that work specifically for real estate to generate leads. All right. So for instance, monthly market updates, real estate tips. Here's what X amount gets you in city name and driving through neighborhood name in city name. We do these every single week and we get tons and tons of leads from this. All right. Now we also include YouTube scripts. All right. So this is good for SEO for you to rank on YouTube. And this changes every single month. I write these scripts myself personally for you guys. And let me show you what the topics are for February. So for February, it's top 10 reasons to move to your community name. We have landscaping tips to sell your community name home, how to tell if a home has good resale value, renting in community name, and also driving through. So we do these videos. And again, we have tons and tons of videos on our local real estate channel. And this is how we are generating leads for the business. Okay. So we basically include every single script. We give you a formula so that way you know exactly what to do and you can actually get leads. Okay. We include ideas for lead magnets, etc. And then finally, we also do February pop buys. So this is just something that's fun that our members requested and we thought it was a great idea. So we implemented it. And so let me show you what that looks like for February. All right. So we have do-it-yourself pop-by ideas. We also have ready-made pop-by ideas if you're feeling fancy and you want to just spend a little bit of money to have someone else assemble everything for you. But so we have Sweet Valentine's Day mason jar. We have the Tootsie Pop cherries and paintbrush treats, so you can drop these off to your clients. We also do hand soap, lip balm, DIY sugar scrubs, sugar cookies, Valentine's Day spa gift box, and a heart table runner. We also include a heart pouch. All of these things, like you can take a look at this at your leisure when you become a member. All right, so I think I covered it all. Again, the call is going to be in about now 20 minutes. So I'm going to see you on the call. If you don't make it for the call, that's okay. Just make sure to join us for the replay. And I'm so excited to talk to you guys in a second and to hear from you. And let's get on this call together. All right. Happy posting.